you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. It is a beautiful morning here where I am. Welcome to another clean with me, you guys. Today we are going to be cleaning, so hopefully this is some cleaning motivation for you guys. I know sometimes I don't always have the motivation, but I'm motivated today, so I wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. Hopefully you guys get motivated as well. So I just came back in from the garden. I was out there enjoying nature, connecting with the earth, observing all the beautiful things in my garden, just getting my morning therapy, honestly, you guys. So while I was out there, I noticed that some of my herbs weren't doing really all that great. So I decided to go ahead and cut some because they were still very fragrant. They just were starting to go to seed and they just weren't looking all that great. But I still wanted to utilize those herbs. So I just finished whipping up like herb infused water. I'm using mint today along with some oranges, and I just poured some hot distilled water over it. I'm gonna let that steep for a little while, and then I'm gonna be adding some vinegar and a little bit of dish soap to it, and that is gonna be my all-purpose cleaner for today. We are not only trying to keep toxins out of our body, I'm trying to keep them out of my home. So that is me slowly but surely eliminating things. We are getting there slowly but surely. We're making progress. We're on the road to getting healthy. I want you guys to get healthy with me. Make sure you try out this DIY all-purpose cleaner with fresh herbs, a little bit of dish soap, and some vinegar. So if you don't have fresh herbs, you could also use essential oils and use that for your fragrance. I'm just gonna use what I have on hand. I'm not gonna keep talking because I got a lot to get done. So without further ado, let's just jump into cleaning. just checking back in with you guys. I'm making progress cleaning. Had a change of heart, so instead of using this for an all-purpose cleaner today, I'm actually gonna take it a step further and I'm gonna use it for a disposal deodorizer. My plan is to go ahead and strain this off, chop up all this herbs, and I'm gonna put that in this little silicone tray, freeze it, then I'm gonna be able to use that to put in my garbage disposal to just clean out anything, disinfect whatever's going on in there. being here, you guys. I really appreciate you watching to the end. I had to find a stopping point because I want to take my girls to the pool. So that's going to be it for today's cleaning video. I really appreciate you guys being here and watching to the end. Don't forget to meet me in the comments, you guys. I love reading your comments. Drop me a comment below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your bell notifications so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And I will see you guys in the next one.